Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Gemini API key for your next project. Let's start with the basics. Gemini API key acts as a unique identifier for your project. Think of it as a password that grants your application access to Google Gemini models. So, instead of building your own AI from scratch, you're essentially renting the intelligence of Gemini. Now let's get you that key. The easiest way to get a free one for prototyping is through Google AI Studio. Go to aistudio.google.com. This is the web-based interface where you can experiment with Gemini models and easily get a free API key for development. If this is your first time visiting the page, a pop-up giving you the option to begin building with Google by getting your API key is immediately displayed. Select it. If not, go to the second half of the sidebar and click on Get API Key. Next, select Create API Key. Before you can create, you'll need to connect to an already existing project in your Google Cloud account or on Firebase Studio if you've used that to create a test app. Click on the search bar to search for your project's name. Make sure you're doing this on the same Google account. If the Google account you're creating this API key on is different from the one where your project is hosted on, you wouldn't find it on the list. Once you've selected your project, you can then go ahead to click on Create API Key in existing projects. Your API key will instantly be generated. Copy this key and save it in a secure location. Treat it like a password. If someone else gets your key, they can make requests on your behalf, which can potentially impact your usage quota. Now that you have your key, you can plug it into your application's code and start making calls to Gemini's API. You'll see that your application can now finally communicate to Gemini and get responses. And that's it. You're now ready to integrate Gemini's powerful AI into your next project. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. See you in the next video.